extra capital without a credit check, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share our top 7 no credit check business loans. Let's dive in. First on our list is Square Capital, the best no credit check business loan for Square merchants. If your business uses Square POS, Square Capital could be the perfect option. These short-term loans work similarly to merchant cash advances, where your loan is automatically repaid as a percentage of your daily credit card sales. The best part about Square Capital is that they don't run a credit check to determine your eligibility. Instead, they access the health of your Square account by considering factors like having a good mix of new and returning customers and processing at least $10,000 a year with Square. You don't even need to apply for a Square Capital loan, just check your Square dashboard for loan offers. Square continually checks merchants' eligibility, so the longer you sell with Square, the higher likelihood of receiving an offer. Benefits include competitive rates, minimal borrower requirements, and a quick application process. However, it's only available for Square sellers. Number 2 on our list is Revolut, the best no credit check business credit card. Revolut is a fantastic option for small businesses that want to avoid credit check. Whether you have bad credit, no credit, or any other reason to avoid a credit check, Revolut has got you covered. Not only does it offer the convenience of a business credit card, but it also provides great perks. One standout feature of Revolut is the 3% cashback on eligible purchases, allowing you to earn while you spend. They also have a generous $500 welcome offer for new cardholders. Additionally, you can access a same-day cash advance from your Revolut credit line. Eligibility requirements include monthly business revenues of at least $15,000, a minimum of 6 months in business, and an average daily business bank account balance of at least $1,000. If you meet these criteria, you're well on your way to qualifying. As we previously mentioned, the pros of Revolut include earning 3% cash back on all eligible purchases and having access to a $500 welcome offer. On the downside, Revolut doesn't report to credit bureaus, so it won't help you build your credit score, and you can't carry a balance. If you sell on Shopify and need funding without a credit check, you're in luck. Number 3 on our list is Shopify Capital. Whether you have bad credit or can't qualify for other loans, Shopify Capital has your back. Depending on your sales volume and the risk profile, they offer cash advances or loans ranging from $200 to $2 million. With a wide range of loan amounts and relaxed borrower requirements, it's perfect for Shopify merchants at any stage of growth. The standout feature of Shopify Capital is its flexibility. There is no credit check, revenue requirements, or time and business requirements. You only need a minimum of 90 days of selling with Shopify and consistent sales. Shopify Capital monitors your account and extends offers to those who qualify for financing. Pros include a wide range of borrowing amounts, making it suitable for businesses of any size. On the downside, Shopify Capital is only available to Shopify sellers in certain states, so it's important to check if your location is eligible. To learn more about Shopify Capital and the other companies offering no credit check business loans, be sure to visit the links below. Now, if you're an Amex card holder looking for funding without a credit check, we have good news. Number 4 on our list is American Express Business Loans. They offer unsecured loans ranging from $3,500 to $75,000, providing flexibility for various business needs such as working capital, inventory purchases, debt consolidation, and business expansion. What makes American Express Business Loans ultra convenient for Amex card holders is that American Express already has all your business information. Eligibility is based on at least 1 year of account history, creditworthiness, and other factors. There's no separate application process, just check your Amex dashboard to see if you're pre-approved for an offer. Pros of American Express Business Loans include no origination fee and the flexibility to repay the loan early without penalties. On the downside, these loans are exclusively available to Amex business card holders. Moving on to number 5 on our list, which is PayPal Working Capital. If you're a PayPal seller, this may be perfect for you. PayPal Working Capital offers short-term loans with no credit check, making it an excellent choice for businesses that rely on PayPal for payment processing. And the best part is that it's a same-day business loan. Once you're approved, you can receive funding within minutes. To qualify for a PayPal Working Capital loan, you need to have a PayPal Business or Premier account that has been active for at least 90 days. If you have a business PayPal account, you should have processed at least $15,000 in annual PayPal sales, and if you have a Premier account, the minimum requirement is $20,000 in annual PayPal sales. The best part about applying for a PayPal Working Capital loan is that it doesn't require a credit check. Instead, PayPal primarily looks at your PayPal sales volume and account standing, so if you have a strong sales history through PayPal, you have a good chance of qualifying for a loan. Overall, same-day funding can be a game changer for businesses that need immediate capital. On the downside, the borrowing rate for PayPal Working Capital loans can be relatively high compared to other options. Number 6 on our list is Kiva U.S, which stands out because it offers a no-interest microloan option through crowdfunding. Through Kiva's crowdfunded business microloans, you can access a no-interest small business microloan. It's ideal for startups that aren't ready for traditional business loans but can benefit from a small amount of capital and have a strong social media presence. Kiva doesn't require a credit check. Instead, they assess your social capital by collecting donations from your personal networks online. Once approved, you enter a 15-day private funding period to gather online donations. Once you reach your lender target, your campaign goes live to the public and you can engage with potential investors to crowdfund your loan within 30 days. After raising all the money, you'll receive a loan through PayPal within 1 week. Kiva has no credit score, business revenue, or time and business requirements, but you'll need a PayPal account and must meet a few other basic requirements. Overall, Kiva U.S. offers no interest microloans with long-term repayments and monthly repayments, which is great. However, borrowing amounts are relatively low and your success depends on rallying support from your personal network. And finally, number 7 on our list is Benetrends, which is the best option for utilizing your 401k to start a business. We chose Benetrends for their expertise in rollovers as business startups, pioneering the field since 1983. Their Rainmaker plan allows you to use your 401k or IRA retirement account to finance your business without tax penalties. With over 30,000 business owners served, Benetrends is a leader in the industry, particularly for franchise financing. To qualify for the Rainmaker plan, you need an eligible retirement account with a minimum of $50,000 to support your entrepreneurial goals. On the plus side, Benetrends offers a startup-friendly alternative to traditional business loans through its Rainmaker plan. By utilizing your retirement account, you can access capital without upfront taxes and penalties. However, relying solely on retirement funds for financing can be risky, and there are setup and ongoing fees to consider. With these 7 no credit check options, you have a variety of choices for accessing capital. Reviewing their features, benefits, and requirements is a good idea to make an informed decision that suits your business. For more information about the companies offering no credit check business loans, be sure to check out the links below. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please click the like button and subscribe. We're here to help your small business thrive. Thanks for watching.